The protein requirement. The average individual eats far more protein than has been found to be physiologically necessary. This excessive protein causes a strain upon the heart and kidneys. While extra quantities of carbohydrates may be stored as fat, the waste products of protein, beyond that which the kidneys are able to eliminate, remain in the blood as acid toxins which poison the tissues of the body. According to recent experiments, the protein requirement has previously been placed 3 times too high. It has been estimated that the average individual normally requires no more than from half an ounce to 1.5 ounces of protein each day. Physiological experimenters of the past, after measuring the end products of protein decomposition daily excreted, have wrongly supposed that these were derived from the disintegration of muscular tissues, and that an equivalent amount of protein had to be present in the diet. But the fact was not considered that this elimination of protein and products takes place whether there is muscular activity or not, and that it is dependent upon the quantity of protein eaten and the concentration of its acid toxins in the blood. If less protein is used, less elimination of its end products occurs. A sufficiently high concentration of alkaline elements in the blood prevents the premature cleavage and disintegration of the protein molecule, and thus reduces the protein requirements. Protein does not supply muscular energy, all it contains is building material with which to construct new tissues. As the child grows older, it requires less and less protein. At maturity, a minimum amount is needed. This is shown by the gradual diminution in the protein content of mother's milk during lactation. Seeds, sesame, sunflower, pumpkin, pine kernels, etc., are the best substitutes for animal proteins. They contain, on the average, several times more protein than meat, which has only from 15 to 20%. The protein of seeds, besides being more digestible and less putrescible than that of meat, not forming acid toxins as does the latter, is balanced by carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins, all of which are absent from cooked meat. The humble peanut contains 29% protein, 61% fat and 11% carbohydrates, while beef only has 18% protein, 5% fat and no carbohydrates, and eggs, 12% protein, 12% fat and 5% carbohydrates. Nut butters, made from raw peanuts, almonds or coconuts, are cheaper and more nutritious than cow's butter. Legumes, which contain from 20 to 25% protein, may also be used as substitutes for meat, fowl, fish and eggs.